Okay, so you guys know I love doing laundry, right? Just kidding. Well, actually, as of late, I've been having a little fun. Party over here, party over here. So one of the coolest things about working from home is that you get to get all of your housework done throughout the day because you're already home. So I am so excited about this Kenmore Elite set. So I'm going to show you guys all of the cool buttons. Okay, so I am going to first go over the washer. This is, again, a Kenmore Elite. I'm going to put all of the information in the description box on this Kenmore Elite set. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. Now this set comes with the Acela Wash, Steam, Kenmore Connect, so that's with Wi-Fi, and then it has vibration guard as well. All right, and so we have normal casual here, heavy duty for those heavier loads, your whitest whites, the bulky, comforter. Now I love the comforter option because you can fit a few comforters in this washer because it is a 5.2 cubic foot washer, so it is awesome. Then you have kids wear, rugged, and then sanitize is really cool as well. Workout wear, delicates, small loads, express wash for those quick loads, cold clean, and then your rinse and spin. Then when you move over here, you have so many different options. What I like so much is the fact that you can customize your cycles. So this right here is my cycle. You can see it right here. You can actually customize your cycle and set it. And then here, stay fresh. So let's say you're going to, go out for a while, for a few hours. It will actually keep your load nice and fresh while you're away. Okay, if you don't want to start your cycle right away, you have delay start here. If you need an extra rinse, here's pre-wash. If you need to a steam treat. Now, a Acela Wash I use a lot because that definitely gives you some extra power with the wash. So yeah, you can actually customize the wash temperature here, your spin speed. If you have some loads that are super dirty, like you're going camping or something, or the kids got really, really dirty, or there's spaghetti all over their stuff, you can actually make the soil level heavy. And then the chime, if you like it loud, I like it loud. It's really cool. All right. So this is the washer. So I told you guys that we are going to do a magic trick. Are you guys ready? So here we go. I have towel number 1. Full size towel. There we go. That's 1. Towel number 2. Towel number 3. Towel number 4. Number 5. Number 6. Number 7. Number 8. Number 9. Number 10. Number 11. And number 12. Then I'm going to put in some washcloths. Let me count these. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 washcloths, 12 towels. All right. Go ahead and close it. Gonna turn it on. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some laundry detergent in here. Here we go. I'm gonna take it to the max. All right, so we have towels and we have quite a few towels. So we're gonna do heavy duty. So I'm just gonna take it around. There we go. There's heavy duty. And as you can see, it's gonna automatically set it to a typical heavy duty setting. So we have warm water, extra high spin, heavy soil level, and you guys know I like the loud chime noise. I love it. Okay, so here we go. Check that out, guys. It told me that the door wasn't closed. So I'm gonna, I didn't close the door just so that you guys can see the really cool indicators. Okay, so watch this. See? It says DE1. So that's letting us know that I didn't close the door. Now it's closed. Here we go. So here you go. I had enough room to put about 5 more towels in there. So my fancy fabulous friends, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Come on and join this party. See you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.